What's up, besties? Today we are doing something different, something we've never done on this channel before. We're doing a luggage haul. Not just a luggage haul, we are doing an unboxing together because I splurged. I spent too much money at this store and I bought a lot of stuff and I'm really excited to open it. So let's open it up together. So this is the brand. It's called BEIS and it is by the actress Shay Mitchell, I believe. You may know her from Pretty Little Liars and a bunch of other stuff. But anyway, this is her luggage brand. And I've been following along on Instagram and TikTok for a long time. And it's really cute stuff. So I finally just caved in and took out a loan to get this stuff. No, I'm just kidding. As far as the expensive luggage goes, this one honestly isn't super bad. Oh, Calvin, are you gonna investigate? Calvin has to sniff every package I get and make sure it's not drugs and not a bomb. It says, "We've all got baggage, glad it's BEIS." That's cute, I like that. I got some luggage accessories, so we'll get to that last. I'm really excited to open up the suitcases, so let's do that first. Oh man. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Ugh, what is it stuck to? It's really heavy. Okay, wait, it's upside down. Oh my goodness, it's so freaking cute. Ooh, it comes with a fancy tag. Calvin smells so bad because he's been rolling around in the snow, but underneath the snow is like poo-poo and pee-pee. So he needs a bath really bad. Comment down below if you want to see a bath video. It came with this luggage tag. That's really cute. Oh, there's suitcases inside of it. That's why it's so heavy. Let me get those out. Hello? Oops, this was important. Oh my God, I can't do it. Set combination to 000, slide the lock to the right. 000. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, they all come with this little tag. This one's locked too. You slide this. Okay. Ignore my nail. It flew off when I was setting the lights up. Oops, we'll get to that one later. We're gonna start small and work our way up to big. So as you can see, I got the set because the more items you buy, the bigger discount they give you. And I got it in this, I don't know, it's like a pink, dusty pink color. This is the carry-on size luggage for packing lights. Hinomoto 360 wheels for making smooth moves. I noticed that right away, how smooth it is. Oh my God. It is cushioned. Wow. I've never had a suitcase that has one of these before. What is this? Oh, this is a little holder. Look, you can like hold a bag on this right here. Okay, so on the side here, we have our zippers that lock. Press them into this thing. You set your lock combination, which I'm not sure how to do that. And then this thing slides down and that's how you release it. Also a cool feature about all these suitcases is they have a built-in weight right here. And so it will let you know if your bag is overweight. You don't have to go to the airport and find out. Apparently this little thing right here will turn red if it is overweight, which is pretty cool, I think. As someone who overpacks every single time, this will save me a lot of money. Okay, this is really cool. you can just tell this fabric is like super nice. Nice elevated straps. These feel sturdy. Ooh, you can fit stuff in here, and then underneath you can put your shoes. Little side zipper pouch here. Strap everything in here. And these are adjustable as well. I like this. I like all these compartments. Then on this side, we have 2 zipper pouches. What is this? Not basic. I like that. Oh, we have another bag. Dirt bag. I don't know what this is for, whatever you want, I guess. But this is for your dirty clothes. That's so cool. They just give you these bags. Expandable. Weight limit indicator. Oh, I'm wrong. That wasn't the weight limit indicator. Here's the weight indicator. So if this is overweight, this will turn red. Cushion handle, retractable bag attached strap, butterfly opening, PVC pocket. Oh, this is for like if you have a wet bathing suit or anything wet or icky, you can put it in this one. 4-point compression straps. Detachable compression flap with pockets so that you can fit more stuff. Interior organization. It says organization is sexy. Comes with drawstring pouch set because your damp swimsuit and clean underwear don't mix. That's what these are. Oh my gosh, this girl, Shay, you're a genius. You really thought of everything. I'm so happy finally I have a suitcase that was designed by a woman for women, because men don't get it. Men, when they pack, I'm like, what are you doing? We gotta open this pouch. So much room. The only thing, I didn't necessarily really want the pink color. I wanted a red suitcase or like a maroon color, but they didn't have any in stock. So, and I'm going on a few trips coming up soon, so I didn't want to wait to find out. But I also didn't want to get white because white is so nasty when it's dirty. Black, everyone has black, everyone has navy blue, everyone has gray. So I wanted to get a suitcase that color that you don't often see, just so that it stands out more during going around the luggage carousel. Wow, even the zipper is like heavy duty. That was the main thing that happened on my old one, is the zippers all like just fell off. I just yanked them off. Or this part started tearing. It was any second that my suitcase was just gonna fall apart. Next, I got the medium check-in. I think it has all the same features as the carry-on, but let's open it up and find out. Here's a bag strap so you can hang your purse, or I think you can attach the bags to each other and create like a little train. I don't know. Okay, yeah, I think we've got the same situation going as the mini, or as the carry-on. Yeah, it has all the same features. Oh my gosh, each one comes with its own dirty clothes bag and a wet bikini bag. And this is the PVC pocket. You can tell because it's clear. So this is the waterproof one. Okay, so this is the compression pouch, I guess. So you can stuff things in here. And then where does this attach? Oh, there's buttons right here. So this zips open, stuff things in here. This zips open, stuff more things. Little zipper pouch along here. Put your shoes, whatever. Push everything down and then strap it all in with these. These zippers are just so heavy duty and thick. I'm so happy. You can just tell this is such high quality. None of this is sponsored, by the way. I paid my own money for all this stuff. I love suitcases and I've gone through many. So I know what I like, and this brand has everything. Oh my gosh. All right. Let's look at the Big Daddy, shall we? This is the large check-in. I believe this was the biggest size. And like I said, it probably has all the same features. Lock, weight, padded handle, 360 wheels. But for fun, let's just open it up as well. Oh, and it has this expandable zipper. And I like that they chose a different, unique design for this zipper from like the main compartment one. I'm not sure if cameraman, zoom in here. Can you see this? This is like the normal zipper, and then this is the expandable zipper. And I love that it's a different zipper design, so you know which is which, because on my old suitcases, I didn't know what I was doing. And it's frustrating when you can't figure out how to open your freaking suitcase and you keep expanding it and you're like, no, I just want to get inside. Like I said, everything is so much better when a woman designs things for women. No one understands us the way we do. Oh my God, I'm gonna fit so much crap in here. I like that this is detachable. Like if you don't always wanna travel with this, sometimes you might not need this. And sometimes this whole half is just shoes or equipment. Whenever I travel with my equipment, I get stopped at security because they're like, what the f is this? What do you do? What do you do for work? And then I have to be like, I do YouTube. I swear I do YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. Now I can actually say that and show them I have videos on my channel. Love this giant pocket here. Features that I already read. I wonder if you can take this thing off, because I like to clean my suitcases on the inside after some trips that I have, and you know, you get muddy or sandy and Lord knows what else you're bringing back into your suitcases, dare I say bed bugs. So I wonder what the cleaning protocol is for these suitcases. I also got these matching packing cubes. They make my life a lot easier to be more organized, and I really liked BEIS because they're just bigger compared to the ones you get on Amazon are like half the size. Wow, it comes with so many, and they're all different sizes, and they all have these place for like a name card. You can label like what it is, so you're not like digging through your suitcase, opening up everything, trying to find what you're looking for. This is just so smart, makes so much sense. Oh my gosh, it comes with labels, so you don't even have to write them yourself. So fresh, so clean, clean clothes, wet stuff, accessories, essentials, swim, night out, the good stuff, wash me, proceed with caution, basic. So you can organize it by these cute, slightly ambiguous terms that may mean something different for each person. Or you can organize it by day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Love it. Oh, and you get two big ones. And again, like the quality is just so nice. It's so much different than the crap I get off of Amazon. That shit sucks. Oh, and I forgot a feature with this. These are compression. So pretend we just packed this with clothes, we zipped it all up. Here's where the compression comes from. Zip that shut. Look at that. So these, you pack them and then you compress them. So it saves you more and more space. Just so smart. I never would have thought about that. Okay, and the final thing I got the Crescent catch-all. This is a gym bag, or it can be an everyday bag. I got it to be a gym bag / a travel bag. We have a back zipper and a keychain leash, so you clip your keys to this. Nice, really deep pocket here, I like that. Here on the side is a little hidden pocket for a drink or a water bottle. You can shove it here, or if you don't want to use it, you just shove it back in. So a cool feature about this is you can wear it long, like a duffel or like a shoulder bag, or you can unhook the strap and then this guy hooks together, and then here we go. Look at that, look how cute that is. And it's still the same freaking bag, and it's just, it's so smart and so cute, it's so efficient. Like, how does she come up with this stuff? I don't know, but I love it. And like, this is high quality. This is super sturdy buckle, super sturdy strap. The zippers are cute too. The zippers are also branded BEIS. So on the inside, we have a laptop pouch, and this is just a magnet that just keeps everything together. And I believe this fits up to a 13-inch. laptop, 2 suede pockets, probably for your iPhone or something. A lot of space here, little clear tag, identification tag so you know it's real. Wow, you could fit a lot in here, like shoes, workout clothes, whatever, like a makeup bag probably if you're going to the gym. Oh my God, there's an interior drink pouch. Oh my God, I love that. And then we have 2 big pockets and then another inside zipper. This is just awesome. How cute is this? Oh my God, I love it. I love all my BEIS stuff. This is just exactly what I needed for travel, for gym, for every day. Oh my gosh, it doesn't matter. You can literally go straight from the gym to having lunch or dinner with someone with this bag. I cannot believe it. Oh, you can. You just strap it to your little bag holder. And if you don't want to carry it, you don't have to. Wow. The other thing I wanted to see is if you can connect. Look, you can. Oh my God. This is amazing. This is exactly what I needed because I always travel with my big suitcase, a carry-on, and then I have like a giant tote bag or something because I just bring a lot of stuff. Because you have to bring options. You never know what you're gonna need. And I hate going through the airport with 2 hands pushing. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy. The real test will be when I travel on my next trip and I take this all through the airport. And if anyone cares, comment down below and I can give an update with how they do in the airport. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this product review and reveal and unboxing. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.